All right. This is my review of Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets. And there's up to 60 loads in here. Now, you might be thinking like, can you be excited about a new laundry detergent? And I'm going to be straight up. I don't know how long these have been out, but these have completely changed my life. And I know it sounds weird, but I'm being dead serious. This is all you put in the washer. You just put this in the washer. There's no liquid to pour. There's something about it. It's also better for the environment. It's biodegradable. But there's something about it that it feels like a massive game changer to me. And it's been a game changer for me. I love this stuff. And what I do, honestly, if I have less of a load, I'll just rip off. I'll just show you here. It's that easy. You can just rip off a little part. Maybe you just want to do a couple pieces of clothing or a couple towels. You can rip it off. Dude, this stuff changed my life. Even if you go back to your other regular detergent, you owe it to yourself to give this a shot because this has been a game changer for me. Highly recommend.